You go out to buy the freshest, peak season vegetables, not only because they taste good but also because they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But did you know that how you cook them makes a huge difference in how well they retain those nutrients? Hey viewers, welcome back to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our videos. Some vegetables are better for you raw while some are better for you cooked. The mode of cooking is the most nutrient preserving. Vitamin C and many of the B vitamins are the most unstable nutrients when it comes to cooking. Because they're water soluble, they leach out of vegetables into the cooking water. Here are 6 best ways to cook vegetables without losing its nutrients. 1. Steam your veggies. Steaming keeps food separate from the hot water, which keeps all those valuable nutrients inside the veggies instead of in the cooking liquid. Steaming can make certain aspects of eating vegetables healthier for you. In a report it was found that we can absorb more beta-carotene, which is good for a strong immune system and eye health from cooked carrots than raw ones. Of course, all this doesn't mean that eating boiled or roasted vegetables isn't helpful, they just might have a lower nutritional score than the steamed stuff. Harder veggies like potatoes, beets, and carrots will take the most time for steaming, but cutting them smaller will quicken the cooking time. 2. Limit water. As vitamin C and many of the B vitamins water-soluble, they leach out of vegetables into the cooking water. To retain these vitamins, cook vegetables in as little water as possible for a minimal amount of time, unless you're planning to consume the water, as in a soup. Steaming and microwaving, both of which use little water, will give you the same results as boiling or blanching but with much less nutrient loss. 3. Roast or bake. Baking or roasting is hit or miss, and very dependent on the vegetable. Oven temperature, time and the specific vegetable determines the vitamin content. Nutrient capacity will decrease a bit with some vegetables while access to certain nutrients may go up with others. The 2009 Spanish study found artichokes, asparagus, broccoli, celery, eggplant, green beans, onions and spinach kept their antioxidant capacity after baking, while green peppers lost antioxidant capacity. 4. Use a little fat. Eating plain steamed vegetables may sound like the best way to go nutritionally. Many nutrients, like beta-carotene, vitamin D, and vitamin K are fat-soluble, so they can only pass from our intestine into our bloodstream with some fat to carry them across. So you're actually better off eating vegetables with some fat. So toss those steamed veggies with a flavorful vinaigrette, or sauté or stir-fry them with some fat. They'll also make your vegetables tastier than plain steamed ones, so you'll be inspired to eat more. 5. Microwave. Microwaving uses little to no water, and can heat the veggie quickly from within, preserving nutrients such as vitamin C that break down when heated. A 2003 study found significantly higher levels of phytonutrients in zucchini, carrots and beans cooked with minimal water. Phytonutrients are compounds naturally found in plants that provide health benefits and disease protection in the human body. 6. Add citrus. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and kale contain lots of iron, but it's in a form that's difficult for our bodies to use, so most of it passes through undigested. Vitamin C, which citrus fruits provide in spades, reacts with iron chemically, changing it into a form that's more easily absorbed by our bodies. So go ahead and add a splash of lemon, lime, orange, or grapefruit juice to that stir-fry or sauté. Nutrients can be destroyed when exposed to light and air also. So cook and eat vegetables soon after cutting to keep vitamins and minerals secure in their cells as long as possible. So how did you like the video? Comment and let us know. Stay tuned for more health and information videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.